So, you're about to take the GED math test, but you haven't checked out the Ultimate GED math course yet? Don't make this harder than it needs to be. We've built a complete system designed to help you pass. First off, we give you 3 courses guaranteed to get you there. If you're a beginner, you'll start with the Ultimate GED math course. The only prerequisite is knowing how to count. From there, we teach you everything step by step with 0 gaps. Then you unlock our infinite practice quiz. Practice makes perfect, and we ensure you never run out of questions. This is the part where you say, wow, because you can even download and print questions for offline learning. You can literally build your own personalized GED math book. If you already have the basics down, our intermediate course is built for speed. It's a compressed, high-efficiency review based directly on the official GED math guide. If you're ready to pass fast, this is your weapon. And of course, you get our GED calculator course. When you know how to use the calculator properly, algebra feels effortless. It's not cheating, it's strategy. We teach you exactly when to use it and when not to. On top of that, you join our exclusive GED community, over 4,000 students strong, all working toward the same goal. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to guess what to study. You don't have to hope you're ready. You can walk into the test confident. Check it out today. You have nothing to lose and a whole new future to gain. I'll see you in the members area.